Hello, my name is Sandra Olarte. I am 34 years old. I am from Medellin, Colombia. I live with my husband, my mother, my two daughters, and my sixth pet in La Estrella, Antioquia. I am a political scientist and work in execute sales. I am studying economy. My hobby is listening to music. I love to eat seafood. My favorite TV show is Vikings, The Walking Dead, and Games of Thrones. And my favorite sport is tennis, golf, and basketball. Now, my routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock on weekdays. I eat cereal with milk every morning. I have a shower and get dressed every day. I wear pants and shirt. At 7 o'clock, always take my husband a metro and my daughters to the school. Then I go to my house to work. At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I am going to pick up my daughters at school. At 2 o'clock afternoon lunch with my mom and my daughters. After lunch, I continue working until 5 o'clock. Then I help my daughters with their tasks or play. At 7 o'clock in the evening, I have dinner with my family. At 8 o'clock evening, my daughters should sleep. Later, my husband and I talk until 10 o'clock. At night, I'm prepared to sleep.
See each other in the Valhalla. Goodbye.